Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all keeping fine and staying safe at home. In the previous section, we studied about photosynthesis. Do you remember that? Yes. What is photosynthesis? The process of making food by green plants are known as photosynthesis. Where does it occur? It occurs in leaves. Then, for its preparation, leaves need some raw materials. What are these raw materials? Carbon dioxide and water. Then, from where do they get this carbon dioxide and water? They get carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil. And this process, this photosynthesis, occur only in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. And they make food in the form of glucose or in the form of sugar. During this process, oxygen gas is also released. So that much we learned in the last class. Are you clear with this process? Okay. Then let us go to the next section. What happens to the food made by the plant? Do you have any idea? No. Why do we need food? We need food to grow, to repair worn out cells, etc. Similarly, plants also need food for its own activities. So they prepare food in the form of sugar. Some of the food is used to burn for energy and to grow, to repair worn out cells, etc. Then, what happens to the extra food? Where do they store its extra food? Where do we store our extra food or excess food? In the refrigerator. Then what about plants? Where do they store? They store the extra food in the form of starch. They convert sugar into starch and stored in different parts of the plant body such as root, stem, fruits, leaves, flowers and seeds. That we eat it. Can you tell examples of the plant which stores its food in its root? Yes, carrot, beetroot, radish, etc. Then stem. Some plants which can store its food in its stem. Potato, ginger, sugarcane. Very good. Then fruits. Many fruits are there. Right? Many eatable fruits are there. Mango, guava, cherry, etc. Then leaves, lettuce, spinach. Okay, good. Then flowers, cauliflower, seeds, rice, wheat, pulses, etc. So dear students, the food made by the plant is used for its own activities and extra food is stored as starch in various parts of the plant part. Are you all clear? Yes. Then let us see interdependence of plants and animals. Dear children, do we live without plants? No. All the animals, including human beings, depend on plants for its food and oxygen. As you all know, plants are the only living things that can make its food. So all the animals depend on plants for its food, directly or indirectly. Then during photosynthesis, they release oxygen. So all the animals take in this oxygen for breathing. So plants are very important for us, for all the animals. Similarly, plants need carbon dioxide for making food, and all the animals give out carbon dioxide during breathing, and this carbon dioxide is taken by plants for its photosynthesis. So all the plants and animals are dependent on each other. They are interrelated. Without plants, animals cannot live. Similarly, without animals, plants also cannot survive. So both are depend on each other. So dear children, I think you are very clear about all these process. Let me conclude this section. Thank you.